So, Asna, dos, Sevilla, 0. Big up to everybody who is tuning in. Make sure you are smashing the like button first and foremost. Make sure you also sub as well, guys. You can do it, guys. Yeah, be the potato, guys. We are literally 85 subs away from 89k. Big up to everybody who tuned into the watch along as well. That watch along was fire, man. The comment section was lit. Yeah, it was better than the game. Let's be real. Although that's standard procedure recently. But we have stopped the rot. Bend it's like Bakayo. What do you mean bend it like Bakayo? What is going on? Yeah, I swear they watch my channel and just rile me up. Like, bend it like Bakayo. Turn it in. All right, great goal, by the way. We're going to come to all of that in a second. But big up to everybody. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe. Lee Reacts is literally less than 60 away from 21k. I'll be doing a watch along on there tomorrow as well for a Europa League game. I'm not sure which one, but keep your eyes peeled. But anyway, beating Sevilla ain't for everyone. We are currently sat smoking the Sevilla pack. Winning on a Wednesday night in the Champions League is not for everyone. United, Harry Maguire. Imagine subbing on Rafa Varane for Johnny Evans coming off. Anyway, that's a different story. We're here to talk the Asna. And listen, that was the easiest night's work you'll ever get. Yeah, Sevilla turned up with their D team, probably an E team or an F team, because they have Betis at the weekend, which is their equivalent to a North London derby. It's the Sevilla derby. So they rested everyone. When I see the 11, I was like, cool, 3-0. Obviously, it only ended up 2-0. But the goalkeeper, Raya, didn't have a single shot against his goal until 96 minutes, 29 or 30 seconds, something like that. It was literally the last kick of the game, pretty much. It was crazy. They didn't have a single shot, let alone on target, until stoppage time. They were awful, man. Yeah, we weren't great. Let's not get it twisted. The goalkeeper could have had a cigarillo on the go. Cheers, guys. Ray Parlour voice. We've got the Heineken, not that you can see it, but we have the Heineken for Champions League nights around here. But he could have had one of them on the go as well. He actually could have sat there and just had a spliff on the go. Let's just be real. Hey, a bit of tapas, like a bit of limoncello. He could have been loving life sat in the goal. He did nothing. He was probably freezing. Light work, but that group should be light work. Let's get on to some of the performers. We're going to get into player rating shortly as well. Kenny's at the game. Check out Matey's fan cam. But let's get into some of the performers. Jez will be coming up after Kenny as well, and then we'll do player ratings. Goalkeeper had nothing to do. William Saliba made a great tackle because I thought that guy was gone, and Saliba's recovery pace was insane. And if he got that wrong, straight red. And he had to get it right. Fair play to him. Didn't really see much of the rest of him, if I'm honest. Tomiyasu was up and down. Surprised he got subbed at half time. And listen, maybe you guys can enlighten me because I was shocked he got subbed. Yeah, maybe he's injured. Maybe we're saving him for the all-out attack that has scored 8 goals in, 11 games in Burnley. I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, Benjamin White getting forward, having some shots. It was so comfy for our defence. Rakitic was on the bench. They had nothing in midfield. Right, had nothing on the wing. Jesus Navas weren't playing. Or Campos didn't start. Ramos was injured. Like, it was just easy. It was so easy. Too easy. But we made it more hard for ourselves because it weren't a great performance. And how many times have I sat on these fan cams and said it weren't a great performance, but we've won the game? Yeah, it weren't a great performance. I don't think there was much to take out of that game that I didn't already know. We've played like this all season, pretty much. But we are topping the group, and we should be topping the group. PSV beat Lons, which has pretty much secured our qualification. Let's just be real with it. I think we have qualified, haven't we? Maybe we haven't. Maybe we need one more point. I don't know. But we've got Lons next, and I think we will qualify. But either way, midfield, Jorginho. I don't like the fact he has the armband on. That jars me. I can't lie. That rattles me, triggers me. But what a pass. Yeah, everyone will give Starboy the adulation and all of that for the assist. But that pass from Jorginho, a player that also shouldn't be at this football club, absolutely top-notch pass. Yeah, and I'm on his case all the time. Oh, he passes sideways, backwards. He's a liability. He ain't physical. You know, he plays it safe. He dallies on the ball. Well, he played a forward pass tonight. Credit where it's due because it led to a goal. Yeah, Saka had the easiest job in the world to just square a 10-yard ball, and Trossard couldn't miss. My baller, by the way. Yeah, my baller. Big up Trossardinho. Yeah, my baller. My baller. My baller. And yeah, other than that, in the first half, it weren't great. Martinelli was running around looking busy. Declan Rice was running around looking busy. But running around looking busy doesn't mean you've had a great game. The same as if you're not running around looking busy doesn't mean you've had a bad game. But talking of bad games, we'll come back to Martinelli and Rice in a second. Talking of bad games, cheers. Number 29. I ain't mentioning his name. Yeah, number 29. From now on, he's 29. Where do we go with this guy? You miss a header from 4 yards out in the first couple of minutes, and you put it 6 yards wide. 6 yards. You put a header 6 yards wide from 3 yards out. Make that make sense. Then you go and rattle into somebody, got away without a booking, like in that first one. He should have been booked for that. Like, he is absolutely abysmal. Absolutely abysmal. Yeah, the guy hides in between players so you can't pass to him. The guy sheeps the referee. Yeah, so you can't pass to him. He's hiding behind the ref. He then runs, well, I say run, he jogs or trots like a giraffe would. Yeah, just trots around, spinning around in circles, like our goalkeeper at Newcastle, by the way. But he don't do nothing. What does he actually bring to the team? We're playing with 10 men. Great result with 10 men. Well done. Great result with 10 men. How many more games have we got to watch this guy stinking it out before people wake up and stop telling me I'm negative because I ain't backing him? Yeah, he's absolutely awful. Yeah, and the balance in midfield when he's in it, there ain't none. Yeah, there ain't none. Yeah, it's absolutely mad. Oh, but he wins his duels. Does anyone know what his scan rate was? Does anyone know what his PADJ recoveries were? Yeah, like, did he win his duels? How many duels did he win? What was his part? Nobody cares, mate. Yeah, I've got eyes. I've got eyes. And this guy is woeful. Yeah, I would rather Zinchenko play in that position next to Declan Rice. I would rather El Neni play in that position next to Declan Rice. Or Declan Rice play there and El Neni sit deeper. Yeah. But you say that, oh, you don't know ball. What are you talking about, mate? What are you talking about? About I don't know ball. At least El Neni keeps it simple. He don't try and overcomplicate it. He'll pass the ball, get the ball, he'll pass it safe to somebody better. This guy just runs around, lost. Maybe he's looking for win. I don't know. Maybe it's his time, like his turn to take win home. Remember when you were at school and you had the gerbil, or the hamster, in the class, and it was Billy's turn to take it home. But next week it's Samantha's. Next week it's your turn. And you have to look after the gerbil or the hamster. He looks like he's lost the hamster. Like, real talk, this guy is a clown. Yeah, he's a clown. But anyway, let's get back to Martinelli. Can we get Becks down the training ground? Can we get golden balls down the training ground and show him how to cross a ball? I love Martinelli. I think he's a top player. But how many times are you going to get into positions that he can cross a ball and hit the first man, or just aimlessly pass it out of play, or overrun it out of play? Our corners, by the way, shocking. Again, sack the set piece, man. Oh, but Lee, we've scored 5 this season, and what? Yeah, how many corners have Arsenal had this season? How many have we scored? It's not great, is it? Yeah, the math ain't mathing. Yeah, I'm not going to go too full, oh, you're negative. No, we've done what we were supposed to do tonight. But I wanted to see a level of performance from some of these players tonight that, unfortunately, again, I haven't seen. We know the backline weren't going to get tested when we see the starting 11 for Sevilla. Yeah, we knew the midfield, was going to dominate, which it did. Declan Rice, jogging forward, rushing forward, getting back, nicking the ball. Yeah, great performance again. But again, he's in the midfield with two bums. And fair enough, I thought Jorginho played really well tonight. Yeah, but 29, yeah, and Jorginho in midfield with Declan Rice. Declan Rice is always going to be looking good, isn't he? Yeah. And I said this on many shows this week. It's not like he's doing anything I didn't know he could do. Yeah, but he just looks great doing them because the other two that he's with, he's more superior than them. Yeah, Bukayo Saka went off injured. Should have took him off when he went down. Why did we keep him on? Should have took him straight off. Instead, we keep him on, and it looks like his ankle. But don't worry, they'll get the ketamine out, inject him, and off they go again, and he'll play against Burnley. Yeah, the subs didn't really do a great deal other than Zinchenko. Yeah, Fabio Vieira, didn't really see him. Zinchenko nearly scored a worldie. I actually thought he played well. In fact, I need to take a shot for that. 2 shots. I called his name twice, maybe. There, he's 35. I ain't calling him. C-Tech Bart Simpson. Uno. Dos. And we do Trust for the road. 35. Played all right when he came on. But 29, nah, man. I ain't having this guy. Yeah, and this manager can sit there, and these fans can sit there winging it. Oh, you'd rather El Neni. Oh, the same fans gassing up El Neni when he signed a new contract. But he's good around the dressing room. As Roy Keane said, what does he do? Card tricks? Yeah, I'd rather El Neni in midfield than 29. And on that bombshell, we are going to wrap this up. Make sure you are subbing to the channel. Big up to everyone who tuned in for Matty's fan cam. Kenny's up next at the ground. He watched the game live. Jez after that, and then me and Jez will do player ratings. And listen, we move on to Burnley. We're top of the group. We're going to get out of the group. We should get out of the group. Weren't a great performance, but job done. Raya, 1 shot to save in 96 minutes, 49 seconds. Light work. Bigger fish to fry for Sevilla, though. Hence why they put their D team out. But anyway, we move on. Sub to Lee reacts as well. Link in the description. Adios, amigos.